Hello everyone, this is Amanda from Nick Vision. Today I want to share you our new waterproof floodlight Wi-Fi security camera. This is the Wi-Fi security camera with two floodlights, bracket, screw bag, and a waterproof connector for this network port. Screwdriver and user manual. This Wi-Fi floodlight security camera, it also supports to connect with the network cable if you don't have Wi-Fi there. You see, this is the reset button, so it's more convenient for you to reset the camera. This is the floodlight, two pieces floodlight. The floodlight will be on once the camera detects motion detection at night, and the floodlight will be off once there's no motion detection. But you also can choose to make the floodlight on all the time at night. You also can turn off the floodlight from the mobile app. So there are three options for the floodlight. This camera has 20 pieces IR. The night vision distance is up to 20 to 30 meters. You also can insert the TIFF card here. You open this cover, then you can insert the TIFF card. TIFF card can be up to maximum 128 GB. And it has two antennas. The Wi-Fi signal is more strong. Okay, now let me show you how this camera works. Firstly, we need to connect camera with the power. Then let's wait seconds. Camera will rotate for self-checking. Okay, let's wait. Camera is rotating for self-checking. After self-checking, then we can connect camera with the app. The app name is Tuya Smart. Okay, now let's go to Tuya Smart app and add device, security and video surveillance, smart Wi-Fi camera. Here we need to input the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password. Now let's camera scan the QR code. Then I heard a prompt and wait. Okay, it's collected. This is a screenshot. You can capture camera image. This is a talk. Camera supports two-way audio. You can talk. You also can hear voice from camera. For example, hello. Hello. Okay, and the record. We can record the camera video. Playback. cloud video. This camera supports to save video recording to cloud server. Direction. This camera supports 360-degree pan rotate and 90-degree tilt rotate, so we can up, down, left, right rotate camera. It also supports Amazon Echo and Google Home to connect with your smart home device. So it's a smart, intelligent camera. For alarm, it supports motion detection alarm and motion tracking. For the motion detection area, you can set the motion alarm area. For example, we set it like this. You see the camera is moving for motion. When it detects motion, the camera will move. Now we also receive motion alarm notification message. Okay. If you have any questions about our product, please contact us by email or WhatsApp or WeChat. If you are interested in more products, please visit our website. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.